This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Booker. This Granville model in Cascades has been beautifully transformed with brand new Nature Tek laminate flooring installed throughout the home, offering a seamless and elegant look that enhances every room. With 2 bedrooms plus a den, 2 bathrooms, and over 2,000 square feet of living space, this residence sits on a larger lot with an extended side yard. Freshly painted in neutral Sherwin-Williams tones with wallpaper thoughtfully removed, the interiors are ready for your personal touch. The spacious kitchen offers white 42 inches cabinetry, sleek granite countertops, stainless steel appliances including an LG stainless steel refrigerator, a KitchenAide new dishwasher, and a brand new disposal. It opens to both formal and casual living areas, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. For more information,